Hey guys, it's Brian here from JBS again, and today what we're going to do is we're just going to fiddle around with this wheel, clean it up and that, and yeah. If you're interested in the Turbo YBR build, then give this a like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and try and, take the spindle out first. Then after taking the spindle out, I'm going to try and take the sprocket off. Nice. So it's undone, as you can see. Let's take the sprocket off. I think there's a circlip holding it on as well there, look. Human. Well, I guess I'm going to have to do that quick as well. Where's going to be a bit of a bitch. As you can see, I'm struggling like fuck to get this circle off. I don't have any of the right tools to do this. But it is holding the sprocket on. That is the only thing. Pretty shit, if you ask me. I've just turned the wheel around now. I'm going to take the brakes and stuff off instead for a minute. Yeah. So I've just managed to undo like from here round to about here. No, it's this one, and now that bolt's stripped out. So, fuming. What I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to abandon this wheel. It's aluminium, so I'm going to keep it, and I'm probably going to melt it down, build something out of it, cut it up with an angle grinder. But the tyre will fit perfectly on a YBR rim. So that's the plan, I reckon. Stock YBR rim with the bigger tyre. Thank you anyway, Damon, for the whole setup. But the wheel is just in a bit too shit condition where it's been sat. Can't get the sprocket off, can't get this off. But I'll try and I'll probably just end up cutting the circlip off with a set of angle grinders, do you know what I mean? Well, an angle grinder. Yeah, that's pretty shit. Bit of a shame because I've got the brake disc and stuff here, do you know what I mean? That came off nice and easy. Big old heavy spindle as well. I'm not sure what bike they're from or anything, so I've been trying to sell them on just for a few quid just to get back. So I guess it's literally just going to be that tyre on a YBR rim. Yeah, let's just see if I can get the tyre off quickly before I end the video. Managed to de-bead this side, you can see inside the bead there now. But struggling with this side. And I'm probably just going to call it a day for now anyway, fuck it. I know it's only a short one, just thought I'd give this a go. Well, the weather's been shit. I mean, it looks dry now, but it hasn't been dry all day. It's been a pretty dreary day. Yeah. So that's it for this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like, give it a comment, give it a subscribe, share it with your mates. Click that video there if you want to see that. Click that playlist there, and have a good day. Peace.